Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I guess you are fine. I'm feeling great. Alright, so here we are with today's lecture. It's lecture 14 of elementary class, and I'm glad that you are putting your efforts and you are learning English at home. Welcome to my channel, English is Easy, where we learn English in very easy manner. Okay, so today we are going to talk. We have chosen the topic regarding grammar, and it's related to vocabulary as well. So grammar and vocabulary we are going to discuss. So get ready. It's going to enhance your vocabulary and improve your and add knowledge to your grammar. Before talking about today's topic, let's have a bit of discussion, talk upon our topic, that was story, creating or composing a story. The story I read different stories. Many students submitted the assignments in previous session. So I read stories. Those stories were very good, but there was something missing. In the story, we have different components. You need the proper structure of the story. You need necessary words, necessary vocabs. You need to answer some basic questions. Like whenever you read a story, you should know something like what, where, when, how, who. So these are the questions. Composing a story, a good story, is not that easy. Okay, it's not that you are making sentences. The old sentence, the cream or the best story, or the attractive or beautiful stories are those which are in which all sentences are attached to each other. Like all sentences are connected, they have a linked, and I can say there is one universal law as well. Action, cause and effect. Okay, that happened, then that happened, then that happened. That was basically that impact. So it goes on smoothly, like good beginning, like that. There can be any moral of the story. There can be any there was something missing. That was core of story. असल स्टोरी की जान होती है जो पढ़ने वाला जिस मकसद के तहत पढ़ता है. So that was missing. Inshallah, in upcoming classes we will learn how to make a story, and we will learn some structure, and that's all about our yesterday's topic. So well done. There are different many students did well, so I have already commented you. So try not to repeat those mistakes. And secondly, that there were very few grammar mistakes. Yes, we need when we just write a story, you need good grammar. Okay, tenses, passive, narration. So we will learn it. Time to start today's lecture. So these are the instructions about a story. Don't worry, we will be talking about a story in next classes. Okay, giving instructions. Today's topic is giving instruction. It is related to grammar and vocabulary. So how to give instructions. This topic is related to our previous lecture. We learned 2 days ago, lecture number 12 and 13, about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences we use for different purposes: for advice, for request, for command, for giving order, and for such command, advice, and one more. We also use imperative sentences to give instructions. हिदायत देने के लिए भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Imperative sentences को, imperative form of sentence को यूज करते हैं. So let's go quickly because it will take time. I will have to explain the words and their use. We use imperative form in instructions manual. Whenever you just go for whenever you just see the manual, you just read the manual behind any recipe, like anything you want to make, whether it is a dish, whether you are going to operate, or you have some new gadget, it can be anything. So you have instruction manual: do this, do this, do this. So all the instructions are mostly in imperative form. Imperative form में लिखे होते जुमले, ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. Or we use whenever you want to tell how to do something, जब आप किसी को बताते हैं कि कोई काम कैसे करना है तो तब भी हम इंस्ट्रक्शन लाइक हम इम्पेरेटिव फॉर्म यूज करते हैं। तो लेट्स गो अहेड। किस तरह देयर आर सम बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स, कुछ वर्ड्स का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं। आई जस्ट डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, सीक्वेंसिंग, एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प एंड यूजफुल वर्ब्स। ओके, जब भी हम कोई काम करते हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ हमारे पास सपोर्टिंग मटेरियल होता है, लाइक जो हमें यूज करने होते हैं, जो हमें काम आते हैं हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन देने में। सो सीक्वेंसिंग वर्ड्स आर वेरी कॉमन। हम जब भी हम कोई काम बताते हैं स्टेप वाइज कि पहले ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, तो सीक्वेंस तरतीब देने के लिए ये वर्ड इस्तेमाल होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्टली, सेकेंडली, फाइनली, लाइक दैट। ओके, थर्डली, फोर्थली भी लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बट फर्स्टली, सेकेंडली फिर हम मुख्तलिफ कंजंक्शन इस्तेमाल करते हैं। दैन, आफ्टर दैट, ओके, दैन, आफ्टर दैट, दे आर डिफरेंट वर्ड्स। ओके, सो जब आप कोई भी काम प्रोसेस वाइज बता रहे हैं कि ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, तो you put these words, okay? आप इन words का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Firstly, secondly, thirdly, and finally, the next इसके बीच में आप word इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। For example, I have got you an example regarding electricity. We are going to have an example of replacing a light bulb. We normally have energy savers at our homes. So let's take the example to how to replace. There are many energy savers at our homes. So let's learn कि एक एनर्जी सेवर अगर हम जब लाइट बल्ब या एनर्जी सेवर को हम जब चेंज करते हैं, रिप्लेस करते हैं, एक निकाल कर दूसरा लगाते हैं, तो किस तरह मैनुअल, किस तरह इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स सी। फर्स्टली, टर्न ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ओके, व्हेनेवर यू आर गिविंग डायरेक्शन नाउ, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, हम electricity turn off, main electricity, okay, from the main, like you can just take out the bracket whatsoever. So turn off electricity. Firstly, turn off electricity. Secondly, remove the light bulb. तो जिसको निकालना आप, you just take it out. Then screw in the new light bulb. Take out कर लिया, तो फिर next है दूसरे को अपने screw करना है, means you have to just screw it or you just put it in. And finally, turn the electricity on and switch on the light. फिर आप मेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑन करेंगे, then you will switch on the light. So this is basically a very simple example I've got you. There can be hundreds of examples you can give. For example, you are giving instructions regarding how to turn on the PC, personal computer or laptop, any gadget. So I would say firstly, turn on the electricity. Secondly, turn on the button, switch on the CPU button and monitor button. Okay, then wait for few seconds. Okay, then if you have password, put in the password, okay, and enter. So finally your PC is on. So see, इस तरह आप जो है normally there are different some steps. कुछ काम में बहुत कम steps होते हैं, कुछ काम में जो है ज़्यादा steps होते हैं. So here we go. When you want to give some extra help, so we just talk about we can just use these words. Like giving extra, like when you say remember, be careful not to, remember means याद रहे, be careful not to मतलब एहतियात रहे कि ये नहीं करना है, try to कोशिश करें ये करने की, try not to कोशिश करें ये ना हो. Okay, I'm just translating it. Then we will be using in this example, in this example and one more example. Okay, it's important to, ये काम बहुत अहम है, ये करना है, it helps to, ये मदद करता है, ये करना चाहिए, be sure to. So you will see mostly sentences are starting from the verb, this subject, verbs start with, and those sentences are imperative sentences. Okay, always and never. Okay, let's use it. जब हम बल्ब रिप्लेस करते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना पड़ता है. उसे जो हम इंग्लिश में ना क्या यूज़ करते हैं, इसको हम कहते हैं अदर वर्ड्स में डूज एंड डोंट्स. डूज एंड डोंट्स वेरी कॉमन फ्रेज, बहुत आम तौर पर इस्तेमाल होता है. जब भी आप कोई काम करते हैं तो उसमें कुछ करने के काम होते हैं और कुछ नहीं करने के काम होते हैं. So you can say there are some do's and don'ts while you replace when you are replacing the bulb. So do's and don'ts. So जब don'ts वाले हैं तो उसमें हम not to कहते हैं, do's वाले हैं तो आप you directly give instruction or use imperative form of sentence. How? Okay, let's say. Remember, turn off the electricity before replacing the bulb. याद रहे कि पहला आपको टर्न ऑफ करना है, ठीक है. Be careful not to touch the wire directly. Wear the gloves. Okay. Try to keep distance with the bulb. Okay. You just take it like don't keep your body attached with the wall. Okay, like that something. Try not to. You can say try not to. Okay. Try not to be afraid of the current, okay, or try not to touch the wall. So like when you are doing something, do not touch anything or do not touch any person, okay. You need to be very careful while doing the work and keep focus on. It's important to, okay, it's important to remove the bulb completely, or keep it's important to do the work by both hands so that socket does not come out. It helps to be sure to you can say be sure to fix or screw in properly completely पूरा मतलब like half करके छोड़ देना नहीं तो बल्ब like भाग ना जाए, गिर ना जाए. Always and never. So these are the words, very simple. I guess you understood. Not to. You can say try not to. There can be. आप इन तमाम वर्ड के साथ जो है नोट टू भी लगा सकते हैं. रिमेंबर, याद रहे, रिमेंबर नॉट टू डू द वर्क विद वेट हैंड्स. वेट, वेट मीन्स गीला. गीले हाथों से कभी भी काम नहीं करना है. ओके, ट्राई नॉट टू. You need not to do it in darkness. अंधेरे में नहीं करना भैया, हाथ गलत जगह लग जाएगा, करंट लगेगा. Okay. Be sure not to touch the cables directly. Okay. Just use plier. Plier means plus, you can say. You have plier like that. Okay. Normally, let me see my drawing. Okay. There is something like you use. Okay. I'm bad at drawing. Okay. So these are extra help में क्या होता है, आप गाइड करते हैं कि ये करना है या नहीं करना. So ये आपने वैसे ही बता दिया और ये आपने मजीद हेल्प कर दी इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हुए. Okay, there are some useful verbs. Actually, the example is related to electricity, like something like related to electricity. So उसी से related बहुत सारे वर्ड हो सकते हैं. ये वर्ड्स आप दूसरी जगह पे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, but most of them are connected to our topic. So turn on, switch on, like when you turn on any power or electricity. जब आप power बिजली के लिए खास कर इस्तेमाल होता है, turn on or turn off. Okay, turn on the electricity, turn off the electricity, और switch off opposite है, बंद करना. Okay, close the electricity नहीं होगा, ठीक है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज कर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑन करने के लिए टर्न ऑन और स्विच ऑन, ऑफ करने के लिए टर्न ऑफ और स्विच ऑफ. एनी पावर. टेक ऑफ और रिमूव कहते हैं निकालना या हटाना. फॉर एग्जांपल आप जो है वो बल्ब निकाल लें, सो रिमूव द बल्ब और टेक ऑफ द बल्ब. आप जो है बल्ब निकालने लगा हुआ सॉकेट में, लाइक होल्डर पे, नॉट सॉकेट. टेक आउट, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज टेक आउट फॉर दिस, लाइक किसी चीज के अंदर सब निकालना, लाइक take out the pin from the holder. Okay, I'll give one more example, don't worry. Attach and connect, जब आप किसी चीज को connect करते हैं, for example power or like cable or socket, you can use attach or connect. Check and make sure कि check कर लें कि वो fix है, like you just review it, देख लेते हैं. Proceed and continue में उसी काम को जारी रखें, like when you just fixed the bulb, then proceed tightening the screw, like this, making it fixed. Plug-in also used for connecting the power. Okay, put back or replace मतलब वो दोबारा उस चीज अंदर लगा. So here we are. तो हमने जो है we just learned how to give instructions at the example, and we learned how to give an extra help. Okay, I want to add one more thing. When we just talk about giving sequence, so you can also use then के बाद आप after that, then की जगह after that इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Like for example, firstly do this, secondly do this, after that do this. ओके, और फर्स्टली सेकंडली की जगह आप फर्स्ट या सेकंड में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आई जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल हाउ टू रिफिल द मार्क. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टेक आउट द लिड. इट्स वेरी हार्ड. ओके, मोस्टली वी डू इट आवर माउथ. Okay, it's very hard, you cannot take out with your hand. So firstly, take out the lid of back lid of marker. Second, pour the ink, fine, 2 drops or 3 drops or twice. Okay, what do you say? Okay, take out, आपने लिखा हुआ, okay, fix the back lid again. Okay, put the back lid again and just tight it. Finally, finally shake it so that ink goes down, and that's how you refill the marker. Okay, so like that. So first second इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. First secondly, I guess there is no darkness, there is no, I guess, because my hands are dirty now. Okay, fine, good. So here we are with our electricity. Now I would like to give you one more example regarding kitchen. These sentences are very common when you give instructions how to cook any dish or how to tell the recipe. Okay, so you can say that whenever you are here, for example, I'm giving you instructions regarding how to make tea, and I'm not a kitchen guy. I don't go in kitchen and cook something. Okay, my mom does it. So let's see. Okay, take a bowl and pour 1 glass or 2 glasses of water. Fine, turn on the stove. Okay, and add 2 spoon tea, 2 tablespoon or 2.5 tablespoon tea. Okay, just wait for 10 minutes to just get it hot, or just cook for wait 10 minutes to so that it gets ready. Okay, okay, fine. Then slow down or turn or low down the stove, or you can say low down the intensity of stove. थोड़ा सा वो कम कर दें चूल्हा, ठीक है. And then wait for 5 minutes more, and then just take the bowl or take the pot out of that stove, and just take like you call, just pour it in the cup and sugar, and the tea is ready. Okay, I haven't made tea in my whole life, so that is that is a tea you would not like to have. Okay. Okay, fine. So that's how you will go with instructions. Okay, so here we are with assignments. Assignments are very interesting. The number 1 assignment is you have to give instructions about anything. I have got 3 sample videos for you in which I have shown that how to do different things. Number 1, I just try to explain, give instruction that how to make a paper airplane, and second, I have discussed about how to transfer data from one mobile to another, and lastly, I just explained or give instructions that how to download an image for your help. Okay, so you can take help from that. Remember these instructions. What you have to do, you have to write it. Okay, first you will write it so that there will be no grammar mistake. Then you will practice it. You will make a video. Okay. So आज का assignment सिर्फ आपने क्या करना है, instructions लिख कर share करनी है, write. Okay, you write it about anything. Try that वो instructions है वो कम से कम at least 1.5 minute होनी चाहिए maximum. आप जितनी लंबी आप कुछ भी आप like you want to teach anything, you want to give instructions about anything, so it must be at least 1.5 minutes like speech, or you can say instructions. लिसन एंड आंसर एक ऑडियो क्लिप होगी, आपको सुनना होगा और उसके जो है जो टास्क है उसका जवाब देने होंगे. आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ टिप हियर. आप जो भी चीज़ सिखाएं, इंस्ट्रक्शन दे, कोशिश करें आप वो चीज़ आपको आती हो, कि वो चीज़ आप रेगुलर करते हो, सो दैट यू फील ईजी. इट विल बी लाइक you will enjoy it. So because whenever you give instructions, you must see, I just gave the example of tea. It was need of my class, so I had to give. But I'm not expert, or I don't do this work regularly, so it is a bit hard for me to explain. Okay, so whenever you do this, whenever you go for this activity, choose that activity that in which you are good at, or you do it regularly. वो काम choose कीजिएगा बताने का जो आपको आता है या जो आप करते रहते हैं. ठीक है. So it's enough from today's class. Lecture 14 is over. I hope you learned and you enjoyed. Lastly, I would like to add some words. Sorry. These are the words which are mostly connected to the electricity. But whatever activity you will have, that activity might have another words. Okay, so that's why make it. If you have make the instructions. If you find any word difficult, but to call that word in English, don't worry. Write in Urdu. Share with me. I will share you that meaning or the word in English. So it's enough. Thank you so much. Before going, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.